Hey guys, welcome back to this new video where we're going to see the question is we just need to find the floor of square root of n. N is nothing but a number, an integer number. Okay. Now the question is as simple as it is, right? Now how we have to solve it? First we need to understand the thing. What is floor? Right? Assume what? Like take this example. Okay. Take this example. Now if 4.69 something 4.01 something 4.999, now what will be the floor floor value? Yes, now the floor value will be, we have to take the lower value, right? For example, assume it is as a building है, नीचे फ्लोर बोल तो नीचे, ऊपर बोल तो छत, बराबर, राइट? फ्लोर बोल तो नीचे, सील बोले तो ऊपर, राइट? सो इफ यू व्हाट इज द फ्लोर ऑफ 4.69? नीचे बोले तो इसका नीचे का वैल्यू, राइट? सो बेसिकली वी हैव टू टेक 4 इज आंसर. नाउ फॉर 4.01 also it is 4. If it is 4.00 also it is 4 only. Okay, if it is 4.9999 it is close to 5, right? But still we have to take 4. Okay, because it is that's the concept of floor, right? So basically अभी अपने को क्या है, कुछ भी एक नंबर, फॉर एग्जाम्पल n is equals to 40. okay, कुछ भी नंबर देता, that should not be a perfect square or anything. It can be any number. It can be 1 2 3 4 4 up to 1000, 10,000, 10 to the 5 or 10 to the 6 7 8, anything. Okay, now we have that. For example, now understand, for n is equals to 40, what is the square root? What will the square root? It will be like something 6 point something, right? It will be a 6 point something, right? Now if the floor is applied to this 6 point something, if floor is applied to the 6 point something, then the answer should be 6. And what is the square root of 30? Square root of 30 बोले तो 5.5 something, because 5 into 5 25, right? उसके बाद ही आता, then it is like 5.5 something, 5 point something. Now we have to take floor of this 5.5 something, then we will get 5, right? Now what is the square root of 14? 3 3 9, 4 4 16, बढ़ जा रहा, तो obviously we have to take lower value. 3 3 9, so the square root of 14 will be 3 point something, right? 3 point something. So what will the floor value? It will be 3. Got it? So now how we have to do, what is the idea to do programming? We have to iterate through loop. Obviously we have to iterate the loop. And if can you observe something here? For example, n is equals to 14. Can you observe something here? Right, when we, what is the output here? 3 only, right? So if I into I is less than or equal to n, that means can I store this I value? Is it the output? Is it the idea which I am thinking? Right? See, because 3 into 3 is 9, which is 9 is less than or equal to 14, right? Now coming to I is equal to 4, 4 into 4 is equal to 16, which is not less than 14, right? So we have to take till 3 into 3. For this n is equals to 14. N is equals to, take some big value, okay, 40. Okay, now मैं क्या बोल रहा, will run in loop. Yes, we'll run in loop for int I equal to 1. Yes, I is less than or equal to n, then I plus plus. Yes. Then what I'm saying here if I into I less than or equal to n, guys, if you don't know like how to find square root of n number, then you can refer to my previous video where I have explained the square root of n. Okay, that will be easy for you. After watching that video, then you can come back to this video. Okay, then what I am doing is I'm just आंसर के वेरिएबल में वो आई को स्टोर कर रहा हूँ. सो दीज आर द वैल्यूज. मतलब ऐसा डिस्ट्रीब्यूट करने से व्हाट विल हैपन इज वी कैन डू द राइडर सिंपली इजीली. ओके, नाउ लेट्स डू व्हेन आई इज इक्वल्स टू 1, when I is equals to 1, what is happening? I is less than or equal to n. I into I less than or equal to n, right? I into I means I into I into I means 1 into 1 is less than or equal to 40. It is true, right? Then answer will be 1. इसके अंदर now I is equals to 2. I is equals to 2. Now 2 into 2, 4 is less than or equal to 40. Yes, it is true. Then answer में answer equal to I, right? तो I क्या वाली क्या 2 है, store बराबर. Now I is equals to 3. Okay, now I is equals to 3. Now now what 3 into 3 less than or equal to 40. 3 into 3 is 9. 9 less than or equal to 40, right? True. Now store the value. Now I is equals to 4. I got incremented, right? Now 4 into 4 which is 16. 16 is less than or equal to 40. Yes, it is. Then answer में क्या है 4 आ गया, right? Now come to 5. Yes. Now 5 into 5 is less than or equal to 40. 25 is less than or equal to 40, right? It is right. Then what is happening? Answer में अब 5 आ गया. Got it? Now coming to 6. 6 into 6 is less than or equal to 40. Yes, it is. Then store 6, right? Now here, now I is equal, when I is equal to 7, is this condition is satisfying? 7 into 7 less than or equal to n, which is 49 is less than or equal to 40. No, it is not satisfying, so it will come out of the loop. Got it? So this is the understanding, basic understanding. Okay, now yeah, now we'll see this in code. Okay, so I have taken the input value n user के ऊपर लेने का, right? Now what I am doing, I have to so I just want to like we have to print, right? So as I said in every video that use functions for this thing, okay? Because functions makes lives easier. Now understand like this, okay? If you have still doubt, you can check it out on internet or something. Functions makes life easier. Okay. Now I'm mentioning the name as floor square root. Okay. I'm creating a function. I created a function, and now what we have to call the function also, right? So I'm calling the function, then int n. No, I have to just put this thing. So I'm calling the function, and whatever the function will return, it will return int value, right? So it will directly print. Okay. Now coming to here, as we said, we need we need to iterate from 1 to n, right? Int I equal to 1. I is less than or equal to n. I plus plus. If, as we said, if I into I is less than or equal to, yes, less than or equal to n, then you need to let's just take a variable int answer equal to 0, and I'm storing the answer. because as we did try run, it will be easier for you to understand, right? So I'm just returning the answer. Okay, so what we did dry run, it will be the same thing, right? ये सही आना जो कोड लिखे अपन इसके हिसाब से. Now let's think. So let's just give a value 40. Now what the output should be? It should be 6, right? Let's check it. Is it giving me 6? Yes, it is giving me 6. Crazy. Nice. And the other value we have already checked, which is 30. 30 should give 5. Yeah, it is giving me 5. Now for the value, the 14, it should give me 3. Yes, it is giving me 3. Okay, so guys, this is the floor square root of n. And what is the time complexity will be for this? Yeah, see, as we are going from, we have already seen here n is equals to 40, as we have seen here that n is equals to 40 only, but we have gone to only 6 iterations only. Here in for loop we said like it will be like from I to 1 up to n, right? N value can be anything. So as for this for loop, we can say that it will be order of n. It will be order of n. But is it the case? Is it the case? Yes, we need to modify the case, because अभी अपने को 6 पे आंसर मिल गया ना इसका. Then after 7 is the loop is going up to n, right? But after 7, when 7 into 7 is 49, 49 is less than or equal to 40. If we take 8 also, 8 into 8 64. Is it obeying this condition? Obeying the condition? No, but we are wasting the time, right? We are wasting the number of iterations. Can we reduce the number of iterations there? Can we write this condition over here simply? Can we remove this? Yes, we can remove. We can remove this, and we can write the condition directly over here. Yes. Now should I return the value? No, you have to store it in variable now we have to return answer, right? So while we are going up to we are starting from I. Now n is equals to 14. Now 1 into 1 is less than or equal to 14. Yes, true. Answer store kar le. Yes, it is storing the answer, right? Now when I is 2 into 2 less than or equal to 14. Yes, 4 is less than or equal to 14. True. Answer में अभी 2 हो गया. Now when I is equal to 3 into 3 9 is less than or equal to 14. Now answer में 3 है अभी, right? Now when I is updated, 4 into 4 is less than or equal to 14. 4 into 4 is nothing but 16. 16 is less than or equal to 14. No, it is not. So that is the reason up to the all 3 iterations only it will happen. Okay, got it. So now the output should be? Output should be 3. Yes, we are getting 3, right? Now what the output should be? 40. 40, it should be 6, right? Yes, it is 6. Got it, understood. So that's how we can do this square root of n in floor. Okay, and now what the time complexity will be? See, for 40 we have reduced up to 6, which is nothing but square root, right? Basically we are doing square root of 40 for something, right? Basically now we can we say that n is equals to 40, the output is 6, right? Floor of square root of n. So can we say that time complexity for this will be order of root n? And what is the space complexity here? It is, we are not using any auxiliary extra space, so it will be order of 1. It will be order of 1. Okay. Yes, this is the floor of square root of n. Thank you so much for watching. Goodbye, and please make sure you like, share, and subscribe to this channel.